So back to what I was saying. Could be us.
Hi everyone, welcome to Beyond the Books. I am so excited to welcome you back. I hope that you are doing well. We've received some comments Guti. Some of you are wondering Guti ngabe iye phile podcast Beyond the Books. Ngithangisho guys confidently Guti sikhona, we are not going anywhere. We are here to stay to ensure Guti when you are inspired by the meaningful conversations that we have with Emma students that are doing the most out there. My name is Lihle Dlamini and today, I'm still your host and today I'm with Sombisi. Sizolwethu Shabang, Sizolwethu unjani?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Siyaphila. Awusitshele nje kabanti ngaSombisi ukuthi ungubani ngoba thina sathi Sombisi loka SRC. Awusitshele usibeke nje sifambeni ukuthi kahle kahle ungubani.
Oh, okay, ligama lami ngingiSombisi, just like you've said. Kahlahle ngisizolwethu. I'm mostly known as Sombisi, that's my nickname. I'm currently doing Bachelor of Arts in Humanities, level 3 in the University of Eswatini. Yes, I'm in the SRC. For those who may wonder what SRC means, it's the Student Representative Council. So I was elected by the student to be part of their council.
Before we go any further, as Beyond the Books would like to just congratulate you on your new appointment as Director of Finance, right?
It's actually Minister of Finance.
Minister of Finance.
Yes.
Angitati pilot invalid.
Yes.
But sinje Minister of Finance Chigelele UNESCO wonke,
Yes.
right? Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Yeah. So sitshela ukuthi leli gama la Sombisi, how did it come about? Sombisi.
This Kamala Sombisi, it actually comes from my surname. Like like I wanted to use it first used it in my Facebook platform. Sombis took it from my surname. Then I took it from there.
Oh, it's a phrase name.
Fortunately enough, Bandu fell in love with it. But my original name, Sebastian Salon. So then I had to embrace it. So I think I like it.
Manje my lecturers now like mabakubita nje ngiyabekisa classini bathi Sombisi or Sizolwethu.
No, they just use my name Sizolwethu.
Sizolwethu. Bayalati lona leli.
Bayalati labanye balo.
Okay. Yes. So I don't know whether I should say recently or saying for Les Cats, you started the Girls Wellness Eswatini, which is an initiative la khona udonate Emma sanitary pads to vulnerable girls.
Yes.
Around the country.
Yes.
What inspired the initiative le?
Okay, it was actually okay. I'm more of a Facebook person, more of a public person. Inkumbi abantu bangadi. So there's this game lebavame ukudlala ka Facebook le yabo anonymous, yabo lo anonymous messages. Yes. So I'd receive a message la kanjalo. So there's this girl lo wabhala anonymously. Acela ama sanitary pads. Unfortunately, awukhona ukubona ukuthi ngibani lokubhalela. So I kept on receiving messages like that. So me and my friend Krebzi, we decided to come together to form this initiative that aims to donate pads to less privileged girls. Because ngaba nalo ukuthi nje just ema pads akaduli. We can just use the little that we have as a start-up and sicele donations from those who are willing to donate to us. Fortunately enough, by the grace of God, we were able to provide those sanitary pads. And ngingasho ukuthi we are making a huge impact to some of these girls. You know.
Abangumaphi nje manifambatana kakhulu lokhanza ukuthi mhlambe they reach out to you mhlambe kula sikolweni emvasi or all around the country.
Okay, since the initiative sayiqala bese ngavula sikolweni. Then savula la sikolweni incumbi yabo that are reaching out to us bala sikolweni. Okay, labakhona abanye that are not here labasibhalelako sibanike but incumbi yabo nyana bala sikolweni. So as a result, we decided to take the sanitary pads to the student counseling office la UNESWA kwaLuseni campus. So so bayaya bafike bawathole basitakale. Yes.
So nendanjani ukhanze ukuthi you receive like a call from someone who's really far away wena ulana nendanjani ukuthi afinyelele lapha khona loyo muntu.
We make arrangements in terms of kuphathisa. We make arrangements. Yebo kona sike sidibane nebulukhuni just nangabe nje ukhanzisa lo muntu uyawathinga ama sanitary pads kamse siphofane nekhashana siphofane. So yabo sibe nebulukhuni bekuphathisa. So siye sithi because asibhala le page lethu ka Facebook siye sithi nabe ukhona umlamatiko maybe lo close lo uta mhlambe maybe edolobheni ngamanzini because sila kumathaba then ba asatise then bese sinika yena thini because honestly singaba nenkinga lokuphathisa yabo because we don't have the money ekuphathisa yabo.
Ngikubuka kwakho ngumaphila amanye ama challenges lenawo so far ni busy ngale initiative.
Negativity will always be there from some of people like Facebook. Labanye nje bakhuluma noma ngayini. I remember once received a comment ka Facebook athi lo munye mhlambe bekadlala, you know. Akhuluma ukuthi ngabe sesiplane kwendana yabo sub comments like that into kanjalo yabo. But so far nglawo ma challenges lesinawo naloko ukuthi sihle asiphelela vele lama sanitary pads. Since nayiqale initiative nje we donating on our personal capacity. So vele bekhanga nayiqale bese akhipha imali sihamba sowathenga. Then we had a few individuals beta basisita lapha bakhona kusita khona ba donate. Yes.
Kusekhona yini mhlambe ema organizations or even companies la faka liches vivane noma solo nifaka ticelo?
Currently there is none, but ke si kukhona safaya khona ticelo in some of the organization which I cannot mention right now. Yabo.
Okay.
So we are hoping we would see nase si successful we are going to publicize it on our Facebook page.
Okay.
Yes.
So for how long do you plan to carry on Nale initiative?
I think I'm not quite sure, but
For as long as you can.
Yeah, for as long as I can. Yes.
Yeah, boy. So what message can you say maybe to someone who's watching you right now? Ukuthi bangafaka njani liche esivivaneni maybe in terms of donations, ukuthi ba donate njani kahle but they buy the pad itself or bafaka imali.
Okay. Si advise ukuthi abangafaka imali bathengele ama sanitary pads nje.
Any brand
ukuthi inkinga bathenga ama sanitary pads then basinike okay kufaka imali akavaleli but ke lapho ke we have to ensure accountability sakhe sure ukuthi imali abantu sebenta kahle
ndithembi
okay sathi tseba sengilokuthi umnafaka imali yakhe nje labanye abantu uyabona kuba ngazuthi mhlambe then say scam nyana into kanjalo but ke we can encourage our listeners to just buy the sanitary pads for us siwathathe yeah because the initiative lena is not a personal agenda ukuthi mhlambe want to benefit something yabo so vele it is advisable ukuthi you just buy the sanitary pads bese basilethe nasewalanza.
No muhle umsebenzi lenwendako kakhulu. You making a difference and etimpilweni telaman fambatana lawa because this is a need.
Yes.
There's nothing that you can do about it. Vele expense that kanza ukuthi every month kwamele vele ube nawo.
Yes.
So yeah, keep up the good job. Singene kulenza by SRC.
Yes.
Which I think that you guys are interested in. Logunbona Sombisi lana nfuna kwati ukuthi what inspired ukuthi nje ungenele SRC back then when you were chosen to be Minister of Maintenance and Transport.
Yes. Okay, indzaba yami yaka SRC iqala way back. I think I knew I was going to be part of the SRC when I was doing Form 4.
Hayibo.
Yes, like bengilandelela kakhulu student politics, especially politics from South Africa. Bengilandelela khona kakhulu, so ngaba interested. So vele I love politics. Yebo, ngiyithanda ipolitiki. So I think that what inspired me kakhulu.
What do you love about politics the most?
I don't think. Okay, I'm not sure if I'm going to answer you precisely, but ngiyayithanda ipolitiki because ipolitiki mostly deals with issues as lapho we represent people labahluleka ukuthi ikhulumele in terms of governance.
True.
Countrywide, maybe in the institutions that we learn in. Uyabona because ngeke vele sikhone ngeba khona abantu ukukhulumela bona yonke into, so there must be people laba ba representako yabo. So yeah, ababe ma spokesperson aw.
What would you say ngema challenges loke wawa face so far solo nje ungenile SRC?
Kune criticism from students.
The very same students laba
Yes,
khetha.
of which I think kukahle. Yeah,
Really?
you cannot be a leader and not be criticized.
Yeah,
Yabo.
good point.
And futhi nawe babona ukuthi into ethambi kahle, they have the right to do so, to criticize bakulungise lapha nalapha. And I wouldn't say kahle i challenge. Yabo. Sendo ukuthi I challenge lengaba khona nje go like having to jungle up imisebenzi yesikolo yabona into kanjalo. So ufuna ube ngumuntu nje lo straight lo khonako ku, you know, when into ehlukahlukene lapha nalapha and still manage your time effectively.
Ngiyabona.
Yes.
Speaking of indzaba yekubalansa umsebenzi wesikolo and with a lot that you're doing, I mean we are interested to know ukuthi ngabe how do you balance when to ensure ukuthi solo uyakwenda lokho wakutela esikolweni while you chase your dreams and your interests wenda njani?
Okay, mina I can say ukuthi I'm one of the most organized person I know. Ndikhulumela mina. Ngisebenza ngeschedule. You know, I don't just wake up and do things nje, yabona. Ngisebenza ngeschedule. Ngiyaplana ukuthi namhlanje ngiyavuka kusekuseni, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do this. Yabona. So vele definitely ngihlala ngasifaka isikolo because la ngasaba ngeta ngesikolo yabo. So vele I have to manage my time ngibe ngimuntu lokhonako ukuthi, you know, ngibalance.
Yeah, boy,
You know,
and
everything
it's
that I
working.
do, and it's working for me. Okay, it's not that easy, yabona, but nje it's working.
Yeah, boy.
Yabo. Kanti ngenalo ukuthi vele ngimuntu uthanda ama challenges, you know. I set challenges for myself. Yabo.
That's
Yes.
good. So go onke lama portfolio laba khona ngesikhathi nje ungenela running for Minister of Transport and Maintenance. Why that? Why wafuna nje ukuthi hayi mina manje ngiseletha nje ukuthi ngene la?
Yeah. Yeah. I think let's go to a difficult one, but ndazama ukuphendula. Ngakhetha ukuba Director of Transport and Maintenance because I was looking at the situation la sikolweni in terms of lama hostela. Yabo. Benginetinkinga letiningi manje, inkinga yama plug, inkinga tabogezi, lamanye ama hostela. It's quite a lot, yabo.
Were you able to fix that?
Not entirely, but ngazama lengakhona kuzama khona.
Njengani?
Yabo. Some njengama lights, nje magiza, letinye talent indzawo, sazama ukuthi sikulungise. Yes.
Manje indzaba yokuthi benginebafundi lebe ba complain ukuthi yabona lapha kuma corridors.
Yes.
Bekude ema lights ebusuku.
Yeah.
Kwentwa yini because ngathi you were unable to fix that? What was the challenge?
Okay, we tabled our concerns mayelana nenzaba leyo to the university administration, and they kept on promising to fix it until my term in office elapsed. But ke besizama to engage them with the chairperson. We set up meetings, basithembisa vele batalungisa bayosagcina siphumile e-office and we are hoping ukuthi batakulungisa nyalo.
Let's hope so.
Yes.
So wasuka ke ku Minister of Transport and Maintenance wa decide nje ukuthi mina nje ngifuna kuyongena ka finance and people were commenting, you know that.
Yeah.
Ba commenta ukuthi Sombisi angma humanities yofuna yini ka finance. How were you handling ema comments la kanjalo? Kona fika yini tindlebeni takho ngoma sengimi nje.
Okay aza ngafika but noma ngabe afika kimi angicabangi sibe ngaba inkinga lo inkinga lento leyo kimi yabo because I'm not angisimlo personal kakhulu I don't take everything too hard because kubekuthiwa siya ngalento leyo ngabe ngiyini nje yabo ngabe ngiyini kufanele ube ngumuntu nje lo flexible bantu vele bathatha abakhuluma yabo. So I didn't really take it too hard. I don't like bengeke vele ngithathe into too hard yabo. Otherwise
So lokuthi vele ungenele ukuthi ufuna kube Minister of Finance, why kukhona lamanye ama portfolio?
Okay, like I said earlier on, I was interested in politics because like I said ngithanda ipolitiki. So ngikhona ukuphendula precisely ukuthi why yes, but at the end of the day bengifuna kuba SRC ngikhone kudila nema students nema issues of student. Lokwangibanga ukuthi ngina SRC Minister of Finance mainly was the issue. I think I said it on my campaign when I was campaigning there when they were open campaigns. They would see like eskoleni we have since I'm running an initiative, casual initiative. So mina nje bengifuna kuyenda because we have the student counseling offices lapha eskoleni. They are not getting support from the university. And the student counseling offices benefita bafunds. I hope you understand. So I wanted to dedicate part of the budget to the student counseling office, nema clubs and societies like all up eskolweni. Yabo. To say nangabe there's a budget that is allocated ka student counseling. The student counseling sikhone kurana 24 hours yabo. Ungathi usuyafika uthole usuyafika wena uyocela ema sanitary pads yabona because ngeke kubalekele ukuthi vele le student counseling office siyarana on its personal capacity ku donate labo bantu those few individuals ukhanje ukuthi noma seba donate khanje le donations abo ashiye endleleni yabo. So I want to ensure ukuthi part of the budget kule mali ebhadala abafundi labo 150 babo is dedicated to the student counseling office. I hope that one is clear.
Very clear.
Yes.
So nyalo kunelikhetho le local.
Yes.
Bantu baya campaign lapha njengemuntu lo sene experience ku SRC ungathini nje kulaba campaign ako ukuthi ngoba phela kune possibility ukuthi some of them vele won't make it. Not everyone is going to win. What would be your message Gibo?
Okay, message yami ukuthi they would have made a grave mistake by taking politics to the heart because nyalo bakhuluma ba campaign lapha. Naba campaign abantu bakhuluma noma ngayini. I message yami ukuthi I'm wishing every candidate the best, but unfortunately ngeke bawine bonke. Yabo. So I message yami ukuthi ipolitiki ngathi ngidlabo president sengabe sungaba nenkinga udliwe ka SRC yabo kona kubi. I don't think kuba lula. I cannot relate because ngizange ngidliwe. So so yeah, you must not take it too hard. Na basa qualify bangazama next academic year.
Definitely.
Yes.
Anje njengoba sivota ngeFriday wena ngimuphi nje lengathi sengunika na iplatform ukuthi awubakhankasele nje ngimuphi lo sesimvotele and why?
Unfortunately I cannot say because mina already sengise office and I must not show favoritism. Kufuna nje ngibayekele ngibabukele ethi khamani. Ngeke ngithi votelani bani yabo sengaba unfair to the entire student body. Yabo. So mina nje ngikahle ngibukela ndawo congratulate ukuthi abawinile uyabona so akufuneka lo bengazuthi sengifaka iinfluence kulomunye because nangathi ngiphusha lo kanti ukhompyutha nalo uyabona ufana ukuthi lona sengiyambilikla yabo sengimenda ngazuthi so vele ngeke ngisho ukuthi please vote for bani yabo umuntu nje utawuvota lafuna kumvotela according to kuthi lapha kuma open campaigns utheni yabo kwamconvince yabona because vele egcine ngako konke eoffice bafunze bavotela umuntu lababonako sitabasida yabo.
That's true.
Yes.
Noma ke sometimes they don't deliver but siyavota ngoba nako sidawuthini.
Yeah, ukhuluma iqiniso sometimes they don't deliver liqiniso lelo but ke I don't want to get too political because nasengathiwa sengena into the depths of politics ngagcina sengiboshwa ngagcina sengiboshwa because the system that is currently working kulikhuni kusebenza nayo yabo so angigcine nje lapho.
Okay.
Yes.
No, sisuke kuma politics.
Yes.
Sesibuye to something else that you are doing ngoba kuningi wena Sombisi wena lokwenta siyakubona la kubo Facebook ubusy.
Yeah.
Yes, sikubona nje kakhulu lapha eBaraka and you are promoting brands.
Yes.
Can you just name a few how it's been working with those brands lo promoter so far?
Okay, currently I'm promoting Magic Hands branding and design lapha kaManzini Dubai Mall next to Mira Salon. I am also promoting my business ebantu khanje nje umuntu wena ibusiness lethi bese ucela ngipromote la Facebook. I'm doing that. Yeah. Yes. Okay, Beraka, I don't want to get too deep. But nje nakhona ke eBeraka kusekhaya yabo.
Ngiyabona ke from lama post.
Yes, eBeraka kusekhaya. No, I love that place. The service yakhona is top notch. Bapathana kahle. So
shout out to Baraka.
Yes.
Okay. So far yini ema challenges lo ngathi uhlangene nawo while promoting the brands? Okay, angasho sekude but there's kude that I cannot handle. Yabo. Ema challenges okay lo munye umuntu sengikhuluma nje at a personal level lo munye umuntu uyakucela ukuthi umpromotele mhlawumbe ibusiness yakhe yabo ka Facebook umpromotele and alithole lo sitho lalitholako bayithenge le product. When it comes to paying bese ubheka ihlathini akasafuni ukubhadala ngicabanga ngile lenye challenge le ngaba leseba nayo yabo. Yes. Manje are there any highlights lo ngathi nje enjoy kakhulu so far promoting the brands? Ema events nje mhlambe lo ngawa highlights maybe just a few.
Okay, event lengikhumbulako that is more relevant ngilena leseBeraka we influencers appreciation dinner and I was honored to get an invite nami ukuze ngihambe ngiye khona to celebrate the success of the kitchen. So ngileyo nje nangathi nginayo nyalo. Yes.
So apart from what I've mentioned, what are you working on ngoba ngiye ngakuva ngathi you also very interested kuleti tema business?
Yeah. Okay, nyalo I am currently selling ema perfume but nyalo they are out of stock. In fact singisesemile kwanyalo into zazabathi ihlanganisa yabo but nje ngithenga ama perfume kwanyalo.
Wait for or you partnering with some people?
Angibe ngisesengedwa. Yes.
Wayengafuni kubanikela abanye abantwana lifuba.
Business phela isuka inhlitweni ngewuforced umuntu say biyala ukuthengisa ngenkani yena yabo mina ngithengisela ukuthi ngifuna kwakhe imali yabo. So yeah.
Okay. Let's play a bit of a game. I want you to describe yourself in 3 words. Kuthi nje somisi singathi umuntu lo njani. Obathi nesibona umuntu lo bubbly la ngephandle but you never know because umuntu awuhlali naye 24/7.
Ayitaba lokhunyana ke lokho but ngingathini nje kuze ngimuntu lo kanjani. Okay, I'm more of a charismatic person weqala nje.
Definitely that.
Yes, I am. Intombi abantu bangithanda I think I'm able to engage with people and maintain, ngibe nje umuntu ngikhulume nabantu interact with people ngiyakhona ngikwenza lokho. I think that's another reason lento abantu bangithandze lokunye akusiwo ukuthi mhlambe ngiyachoma yabo. Okay, mina nje ngiyathanda kusita wherever I can yabo. Angithandi futhi ukuphakamisa noma sengisitile yabo. So ngicabanga ukuthi i-character yami yaba attract abantu. Yes.
Which I think ngikola kwento ukuthi bakuvotele
Yeah, and by the way I got 1.8 votes.
Wow, that's impressive.
Kwaba ngimlo hamba embili kakhulu ngemavoti.
People have got your back.
Yeah, they've got my back, And then yakho akumani kwenteke, to be quite honest, yabo. Bantu ngeke bavule baku. Yabo. Ufuna babone something ukuthi abantu bakuthanda. Not to say ngingcono mhlambe ngandlela thike yabo. But if I'm flexible, I'm a flexible individual. Now nje ngakhuluma nami ungangathi ngisikhulume sicoce sibe right yabo. More of vela angisi introvert vela njengoba ushilo nje I'm bubbly.
Probably ngaba ukhona ka SRC kube introvert.
Ngikho. Lokunye okaphethe uthe 3. Ngathi nginjanje lokunye.
Lokunye okawakuveta earlier but angifuni ukukunika hint.
But ngiyaphela I've had a long day man.
Fine, kuhleleka uthi organize. That is how
ngihlelekile nawe ngicathu uyangibona on campus vele ngimuntu ohlelekile ngisho ngihamba vele ngihlelekile. Yabo, so vele ngimuntu ohlelekile I'm an organized person in terms of kwenta tinto yabo, because vena ngumuntu mina nje I'm very busy yabo. I am very busy, ngibhizi ka SRC, ngibhizi ngesikolo, ngibhizi ma business, my personal agenda etinye izinto yabo ngibhizi. So lento leyo na umuntu nje ngeke ukhone ukukwenda ungasimo organize lohlelekile lo plan atinto ahead yabo. Yes.
Manje what would you say yini for lo isabako nje?
Mina.
Kutotonke nje tinto emhlabeni lothi yabona ke lokho ngiyakusaba.
Okay, indlela ngisaba lengathi ngiyisaba ukhulumela in terms of
it could be an animal.
Oh, an animal. Okay, an animal ngisaba inyoka kakhulu ngiyangaba ne experience ake yangiluma so hey ngiyisaba inyoka.
Ayibo.
Ake yangiluma just back I think when I was done writing my Form 5 exams.
Okay.
3 days after.
Oh, that was bad.
Bengibuye gym ngalunywa inyoka. Hey, the experience was bad, so vele asibukani.
Nice. Let's get a bit personal. Just one question.
Yes.
Who's your support system? Kutotonke letin for lotendago. Surely someone has got your back.
My support system is my mother. And a little bit of my few friends. Ngasinya mathi ngingaba posta na Facebook. Mcebzi the coach ka Facebook. That guy supports me.
Lo cale naye that
girl.
Okay.
That guy support. My ideas I'm your supporter. Nami akima ideas ngiyawa supporter. So I ngasho vele that guy is my support system. Sa supportana nje ngayo ngindlela singasupportana ngayo. Noma ngabe mhlawumbe sethi into lethi personal yabo lengengikhona ukudisho yabo. Yes, but nje we are there. Angeke ngisweleswayi akhona naye ngeke asasweleswayi akhona yabo. So then lo munye lo ngisupportako is my mother and I love that woman. Yes, uyangisupport ngayo ngindlela angisupporta ngayo.
Mothers are always supportive. Bancane lesingathi.
They're always supportive. Yes.
So lokho kuthi ke ungenele ma humanities la sikolweni. Why?
Okay, mine ngabuka the stream. Okay, actually I was doing very fundo related to humanities ga nase high school. I was doing bo English, I was doing bo TRS, bo RE, I was doing bo history. So vele I'm more of an English person in terms of because I think I was in grade 7 ngicala into lifane ku Thabo into kanjalo. So vele I fell in love with humanities, nalo ukuthi ke ayibengikhona kwena courses that related to mathematics monster kimi maths
boyizaba obeyihlula
I like bengihlula like literally noma bengizama kwani angathi ke nabe ngazama enough but I sine mesa sibo bangani. Yes.
Makes sense. So I know that you guys have been posting my messages ka Facebook ku student group kuthi niya appreciate for lelithuba kuthi banikhethe. I'm just gonna give you maybe a few minutes sothi nje thank you laba kuvotele laba kubukelako right now.
Yes, okay, akubongela bangibukelako. I'd love to send my utmost gratitude to the entire student populace for voting for me into office, and I promise to deliver as per their expectation and as per my duties regarding the constitution, and as per my promises on the open campaigns, so kakhulu bengingasho nje ukuthi ngiappreciate for emavote abafunzi ndawusebenza ngikhandla ukuthi ngende umsebenzi wabafunzi. Yes.
To someone who looks up to you, or rather angithi ema final words nje longawasho as we are approaching to see wrap up today's episode. This is season 2, guys, by the way. Yini nje longakusho?
Okay, lengakusho mina ebantwini kude lenye advice lenidlula ukuthi umuntu kufuna believe in themselves, chase those dreams. Yabona, make sure ukuthi into lofuna kuyenda uyayenda ungahluleki. Mina ngisengafiki lapha, yabona, but I'm not going to give up until I reach my dreams yabo. So resistance nekubeketela, because vele impilo ayisiyeshukela all the time. Vele abakhona ama-ups and down lapha nalapha, but lokho akusho ukuthi kufuna besola lapha nje, yabo. Ima challenges na umuntu ufuna accept and make sure you work hard nje, kuze ukhone ku achieve ema goals akho, because nothing comes on a silver platter.
That's very true.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
With that said, we've come to the end of the first episode of season 2. I'm your host Lihle Dlamini and Besna Sombisi. And like I always say, stay curious, guys. Bye.